Ow, man! Welcome to the Frickcast. Today, we're taking a look at the latest release of the Freedom Fresh. With 4th of July right around the corner, three things are always a certainty: grilling, neighbors shooting off fireworks in broad daylight, and of course, Dr. Squatch's Freedom Fresh. This time though, the Freedom Boy brought some allies in its war on generic soap, the deodorant, and the hair kit. However, the brick itself also got a revamping, with all new packaging and it seems a reformulation. Today, we'll be giving an updated review on the new release and comparing it to that of recent years. So there's of course the new box, 3 of them actually. These do look quite nifty. The old design was one of my favorites, but I think this was an improvement overall. But I don't really care about the new package all that much. I want to focus more on the brick itself. Now, the original Freedom Fresh from last year on back was a pretty disappointing bar overall, especially in the scent department, with a very faint tea and beach scent. It was one of the weaker scents on the Squatch menu, not befitting of an American boy at all. Well, this new brick is much more potent, and I do think the scent has been changed a bit as well. It's been upgraded to around a medium potency, so nothing crazy. When I first smelled the new bar, I immediately thought of the Spidey Suds, that musky berry scent. Now, they aren't the same, but I don't know, maybe Squatch tried to repurpose that scent a little bit. Still though, we're talking that breezy beach scent, with some notes of tea, and now a little berry and a good bit of muskiness. It is a good scent, and better than the original Freedom Fresh. The bar also looks different this time around as well, and it's again an improvement, with a much cooler American design. It's still rocking with these same ingredients, including red root tea and jojoba seed oil, but I do think it does feel a bit better to use as well. It's still a very light grit bar, practically zero, and it's still not the deepest clean of a Squatch brick, but it does feel fresher and cleaner. While still not a top tier bar in my opinion, I think the Freedom Fresh got a significant and much needed upgrade. It will certainly be getting a boost next time we rank the bricks. If you're wondering about the deo and hair kit, the deodorant is still the superior product over its brick counterpart in my opinion, and its scent is still one of the better ones for the sticks, although still noticeably different than the bars. I have a guide already available for the deo if you want more. As for the hair kit, I have a separate guide for that as well, so be on the lookout for that if you're interested. And if you want a more in-depth guide of the original Freedom Fresh brick, I of course have a guide for that as well. So that's going to do it for today. What did you guys think of the new Freedom Fresh? Have you noticed an improvement? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!